Hello guys, see this. This I have drawn the sketch of table lamp. See, like this it is the sketch of table lamp. Means we see no when we do study work or something, we do the we use table lamp. See, like this it is. I will show you. See, here it is looking. No, see here. Like this table lamp sketch I have drawn. By looking at this only, I have drawn the table lamp sketch. If you want the proof, that way also I have kept the table lamp also here. See, like this I had kept here, and by watching this table lamp I have drawn the sketch of table lamp. See, like this it is the sketch of table lamp I have made. I have drawn the sketch. See how beautiful it is now. See, like this, sorry, like this the sketch of table lamp. This I have drawn the, this is the what light. If you on, I will show you and on it and show you like this. See, not this one. Okay. See, like this the light is coming now. So like this only, by owning the light I made a proportion drawing, and like this only by direct looking at the table lamp I have done the sketch of table lamp. See how beautiful it is, no? See, by not using any mobile, tablet, or without internet also, how to draw any sketch. That point I want to tell you. See how beautiful I have done the table lamp sketch. And now you have got the proof also, because where I am sitting for the drawing there is a table lamp also. See, like this, by without using tablet or mobile I have done the sketch of table lamp. And 1 second, see, like this it is the sketch of table lamp. How beautiful it is, no? This is the black you are seeing, no? Looking down here, it is a shadow of the light. Means when the light comes down, it happens a reflection, no, of light on the table. Like this I have done the, by looking at this same light I have done the drawing of sketch of table lamp. So if you love this sketch of table lamp, so hit the like button, and please tell me in the comments how you like the sketch. And I will meet you in the next video. Then subscribe to my channel and put the bell icon on the all option, and I will meet you in the next video. And thanks for watching. Bye bye, and see you soon.